Hi friends, it's a golden opportunity and a great privilege for Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School at Devala staff and management to introduce you to the great event in which we become part of it. That is the Wildlife Week celebration conducted by Nadugani Gene Pool Garden, Gudalur. It's a celebration to know about forests and wildlife. Gene Pool Eco Park Ambassador Program is a great event. It's an education as well as awareness program by Gudalur Forest Division to impart knowledge about plants, animals, their interactions, biodiversity, conservations, importance of elephants, tigers, and involve themselves educating their friends, schoolmates, and family members, carrying the message of wildlife conservation. On successful completion, the students become Gene Pool ambassadors with an e-certificate and free pass for 1 year validity. And we have been privileged to be part of this. Before getting to know our experience of being the ambassadors training, let's get to know about Nadugani Gene Pool Garden, Gudalur at Nilgiris in detail. Nadugani Gene Pool Garden, Gudalur is a tropical garden located in Nadugani village near Gudalur town, near Ooty Hill Station in Gudalur Taluk in Nilgiris district of Tamil Nadu. The Gene Pool Garden is a repository for highly endangered species of flora. The facility has been run by Research Wing of the Forest Department. The year of inception of Nadugani Gene Pool Garden is 1989 and 1990. It has covered area of 242.4 hectares and it lies in the altitude of 900 meters above. The very objective of this inception is perpetuation and preservation of rare, endemic and endangered plants and species of Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Is a specially located place which has a very convenient transport facilities. Yes, tourists could learn about varieties of natural flora in the Nilgiris from the Garden of Ferns, an Orchid Center, an Interpretation Center and a Medical Planet Garden, and tourists from Kerala who enter the Nilgiris through Gudalur visit this garden frequently. And Nadugani Gene Pool Garden is located at about 200 meters from Nadugani bus stand, 12 kilometers from Gudalur, 13 kilometers from Gudalur bus stand, 37 kilometers from Nilambur railway station, 62 kilometers from Ooty bus stand and Ooty railway station, 75 kilometers from Malappuram, 81 kilometers from Kunnur, 91 kilometers from Kotagiri, 112 kilometers from Mettupalayam railway station, 145 kilometers from Coimbatore, 157 kilometers from Coimbatore airport. And Gudalur is well connected to Ooty, Kunnur, Kotagiri and Kerala by bus and private taxis. So it is set in a right place for all the people all over from Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu to make a visit and benefit from this beautiful natural place. According to the order of the Gudalur District Forest Officers, 8th of January 2022, Saturday, Jeanpool Eco Park Ambassador Program took place. It's a continuation of the training program of the Jeanpool Eco Park Ambassadors, which had been conducted few months back. In this training program, around 50 of our students of Holy Cross Convent Matriculation School, along with our teachers, Mr. Dinesh and Mr. Muthukumar, accompanied the students, and it was a great day for each of them. The day was filled with documentary films, wildlife documentary movies, empowering, enlightening the students to become better eco-friendly citizens, knowing their surroundings, knowing their social well-beings, and how to take care of themselves from this wild animals and wild snakes. So here we go highlighting the significance of the day. The day was filled with, or we would say in this training program, wild Karnataka documentary film was shown to the students as well as green forest documentary films. Since the summer is approaching fast, students were taught to give water and feed the birds in their surroundings, in their school and at home, and how to take care of themselves also from wild elephants, as the elephants will be very wild during this winter season. There were also important tips given to the students to take care of themselves from the wild animals. Snake means we all are scared. There is a fear and terror that arouses in our mind and heart. Our students were taught how they can be friendly to the snakes, as well as how they can prevent themselves from poisonous snakes' bite. And if they come to know in and around their surroundings there are snakes, they were requested to inform to the forest department so that they can do the needful actions. They were also given important tips not to put fire in the forest, due to which Grottoleria longipes plant is being burnt and destroyed. And if at all they come to know there are forest fire around their surroundings, they were asked to inform the forest department. The important teaching of the day is they were taught insect hive, how to make the insect hive. In Tamil we call it Urvana Veedu. That means there is a shelter and home for the reptiles. Out of the twigs, branches and leaves of the trees, our students were taught to make insect hive below the trees or the bottom of the tree. And they were also encouraged to make the same insect hive in their schools, in their surroundings, in their houses. We are very grateful for all those who have been a great support to the students to make this day a grateful one. We are very grateful to Mr. Prasad, the Forest Officer of Nadgani Jeanpool Eco Park, and Madam Gomati, and all the staff of the Jeanpool Eco Park who have accompanied our students all throughout the program with very informative, educative and knowledge-filled wildlife protection and care. And Prasad sir, it's my privilege to acknowledge your great personality today at this moment, as you play a major role to bring awareness in this locality of this Nadgani. You take personal interest and initiative, conduct various programs, trainings, and you not only stop with the program of the day, yet you accompany our students in the Gene Pool WhatsApp group. You encourage them to update and also to clarify their queries if they have any during their practicing time. So God bless Gene Pool ambassadors, training officers, staff of the Gene Pool Eco Park Nadgani. I'm sure our students are being trained through this Gene Pool Eco Park of Nadgani to become eco-friendly citizens of the nations. And I am very proud to say that our students not only train themselves on that day, but also keep practicing this in the schools, in their home, in their surroundings. Now you can visibly see how students take care of the school garden by watering it, by weeding it, and looking after the plants every day as they come to the school. Here you see two of our students, Anirudh and Alrik. They come every day to school during this lockdown time to water the ground garden, which is filled with crotons, which will beautify their school ground. And they are very happy and very helpful to water the school garden, very especially the ground garden. So this is how the Gene Pool Eco Park has empowered our students to create love for the plants, animals, very especially to the wild plants and animals and the nature. So thanks to Gene Pool Ambassador Training Program.